We're at the London Home Show, which is the country's leading first-time buyer event. It's completely free to attend and takes place twice a year at the QEII Centre in Westminster. So if you're interested in looking at alternative housing schemes such as shared ownership, London living rent, discount market sale, you can meet housing providers, you can get financial advice, legal advice, and attend tons of educational sessions throughout the day.
We came to the London Home Show to find out a bit more about different options around buying houses, different schemes that exist, and just to see some of the properties that are available on the market.
It's very, very informative. Spoke to loads of experts, which is really good.
There's a lot of stands and they all are willing to help and answer your questions, so that made the process very easy.
I feel very confident now. I feel like now it's doable.
My number one top tip for a first-time buyer would be when you're sorting out your finances, allow for a budget buffer.
Pay off your credit cards and your loans.
Speak to a financial advisor.
Make an email address that is just about finding a flat.
Draw on the experience of those around you to help you.
Take the step and do it.
We are Share to Buy. We're the country's leading and number one property portal dedicated to first-time buyers. We also host the London Home Show, so everything you need on the website comes in person at the London Home Show, and you find everything you need under one roof.
Peabody are obviously one of the longest standing housing associations. I'm showcasing Battersea Power Station, which is New Mansion Square.
Legal and general affordable homes. We have the A-Store Apartments in White City. We have Deanston Wharf in Newham.
I'm dealing with Resi Bracknell, which is in Berkshire, 9 Elms in Wandsworth.
With Square Roots, we have 2 live developments at the moment, one in Hendon, which is northwest London, and then we have another in Lewisham.
Guinness Homes, East London, at our flagship development in Leaside Lock, Signal Parks in Kingston upon Thames.
L&Q, Theme Park, which is based in Barking and Dagenham, Regency Heights, which is based in Park Royal.
We're Southern Housing. We sell shared ownership properties, homes through London Living Rent and on the open market as well.
We're Notting Hill Genesis. We've got Perfume Factory in Ealing, Gadwall Quarter, which is in Hackney.
We're Fabrica, The Hue in Hounslow. Fantastic properties for first-time buyers.
Site sales, our flagships is Maker's Yard in Canning Town.
We're at Avery Homes, Horlicks Quarter in Slough, which is a great scheme, some great communal areas.
Centre Financial, specialist mortgage brokers in shared ownership.
Dutton Gregory are a full-service law firm. We've got our new build and our shared ownership teams here today.
Home at Last is a property consultancy. We help you with every single step of your property journey until you get your keys.
Eastlight are a community-led housing association based in Essex.
What I want for attendees to get out of today is that they have all their questions answered.
I hope they come away a bit more armed with knowledge and a bit more confidence to get that next step.
It's such a fun and friendly vibe here at the London Home Show. Everyone's here to kind of help you out, because I always think that property isn't one size fits all.